Thank you, Tom. Now to an urgent health alert from Orange County leaders. They say new coronavirus cases are skyrocketing to levels not seen since the peak of the pandemic. Mayor Jerry Deming says we are now in crisis mode.
And the surge is also overwhelming Central Florida's largest hospital system. AdventHealth is elevating its emergency status to red. That's beginning tomorrow. News 6's Nadine Yanis joins us now live outside AdventHealth Orlando. And Nadine, you're told a majority of the patients they're seeing are not vaccinated.
That's what we're hearing from the chief medical officer here at AdventHealth. They say they're seeing the number of hospitalizations similar to back in January. And what's frustrated is because many of them are unvaccinated. And he says this could have been prevented. He also says what's heartbreaking is a lot of those folks in the ICU tonight are regretting the fact they didn't get the vaccine.
As of this morning, we have moved to level red.
Our hospitals are sounding the alarm as the number of COVID-19 cases at AdventHealth is increasing, putting pressure on the hospital system, postponing non-urgent medical care to clear capacity as more cases come in.
It's hard to see, and it's to some extent frustrating to see people dying in the hospital from a disease that at this point can be prevented.
AdventHealth officially on red status, seeing increases of admission across their hospitals in nearly every county in Central Florida, with 946 COVID-19 patients in the hospital. That's exceeding their peak of 900 in January. Dr. Victor Herrera adding 94% of the patients hospitalized are unvaccinated.
Everybody who is now in this situation have those feelings of, well, maybe I should have taken the vaccine.
Patients expressing regret while Mayor Jerry Deming expresses frustration.
The virus is adapting. The state has not adapted.
Saying his hands are tied as a new state law prevents local governments from enacting mask mandates unless data reaches a high legal bar.
The data is coming in. The hospitals are telling me Mayor, we can provide you with data to support it. So we are in that process.
Mayor Deming's still exploring his options.
This next 24 to 48 hours or so are going to be critical to any decisions.
I'll talk to my legal experts, and if it makes sense to do it, I would do what I have to do. I'm not here to adversely impact commerce or any of that. I'm here to save lives.
So it's unclear exactly what the county is thinking about doing to stop this spread. In the meantime, here at AdventHealth, they say many of the patients are actually skewing younger. They're also seeing in this surge compared to others, they're seeing an increase of pregnant women with severe COVID cases currently intubated in the ICU. Doctors encouraging anyone who might still have concerns about the vaccines to talk to their doctors. Live at AdventHealth tonight, I'm Nadine Yanis, Getting Results News 6.